Do you want to create amazing AI deepfakes?
I'm a doctor.
And do you also want to make stunning face swaps?
What do I have to do?
But you do not want to do it online because you are tired of going through the entire Google Colab process repeatedly. Well, you're in luck. Hey Lemonheads, today I will show you how you can install an AI deepfake and face swap generator locally on your computer. Step 1. Setting up your platform. Let's start by going to the installation link. By the way, all the links will be in the description. The program is called Face Fusion, and it can handle all the AI deepfakes and AI face swaps you desire. Now here we are on the installation guide. Let's scroll down a bit and select Basic. Next, choose your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I'll select Windows. Return to your desktop and create a folder named Face Fusion. Click on the folder and then click on the folder path URL. Here, type CMD and hit Enter. A black command prompt window will appear. Now go back to the Face Fusion installation guide, copy the Python code, paste this code into the command prompt window, and press Enter. This will install the correct Python version. Press Y and enter to continue the Python installation. Wait until it's finished. Now, return to the guide, copy the PIP code, paste it into the command prompt window, and press Enter. Wait until it's finished. And now copy the Git code from the installation guide and paste it into the prompt window. And press Enter, of course. Wait till it is finished. Do the same for the FFmpeg code and wait until it's finished. Once it's done, restart your computer to finalize these installations. After your PC has restarted, click on the Face Fusion folder. Type CMD in the folder path URL and press Enter. Open your browser again and revisit the same Face Fusion installation guide. Here, copy the code from Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable and paste it into the command prompt window, then press Enter. Wait until it's finished. Now copy the last code there, which is from Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 Build Tools. Paste it into your command prompt window and press Enter again. Click Continue. A new installation window will appear. Ensure you select the Desktop Development C++ package, then go to the right corner and click Install. Wait until it finishes downloading and installing. Now, restart your computer again to ensure everything is properly installed. When your PC has restarted, it's time for the next step. Step 2. Cloning the repository. As we did before, click on your Face Fusion folder again, type CMD in your folder path URL, and press Enter. Now go back to the installation guide and go one step back. You should see Clone the repository here. Copy and paste that code into the command prompt window and press Enter. Wait until it's finished. Now close your command prompt window and look in your Face Fusion folder. There is a new folder now with a lot of files in it. That means you are ready for the next step. Step 3. Installing the dependencies. While you are in this folder, select the folder path URL and type in CMD, then press Enter. A black command prompt window will appear again. Go back to the installation guide and copy the code from Install Dependencies. Paste this one into your command prompt window and press Enter. Wait until it's finished. This will take some time, so enjoy yourself while my pet monkey does a dance performance for you. The only thing you need to do now to make it work is to copy the code from point 4 in the installation guide. The code goes like this: Python run py. Copy and paste it into your command prompt window and press enter. Wait until it's finished. Then you will see the following text: running on local URL. Copy the numbers that come after it and paste them into your web browser. Then hit enter. And there it is. Now you have accessed the Face Fusion interface. Let me walk you through how it works in the next step. Step 4. Using Face Fusion. Here you can have a lot of fun. Let me walk you through how the program works. It's really easy to use. All you need to do is drag and drop files into either the target box or the source box. It will automatically work and give you a preview. Scroll down a bit, click Start, and it will generate the full-size image. This will work for both images and videos, as I mentioned earlier, for face swaps and deepfakes. To save an image, hover your mouse over the file you want to download, and then click the little download button located in the right corner of the file. Watch me, face swapping and deepfaking in full speed. By the way, as you probably already know, it is important that your source image is like a passport photo and has good quality. If you need any additional help, you can join the Face Fusion server. For example, Ivan Sabellan Sanchez helped me a lot in using Face Fusion. It's truly amazing. And yes, it also works for videos. Just upload a target video and have a source image, and it will do its magic. If you want to inspect the generation status, just click on your prompt window. If you want to perform face swaps and deepfakes online, watch my other 2 videos that I made about that. Oh wait, never mind, let me quickly explain it for you. First, I will explain to you how you can do the face swapping online. Okay, here it goes. First, we have to create our own private Discord server. Now just follow what I do. Now we want to add a face swap bot to our private Midjourney server. And for this, we need to go to the GitHub link. The link will be in the video description. So click on the GitHub link. Scroll down and go to where it says step-by-step guide. Now at point 2, you should see a Discord link. Click that exact Discord link. Now here, you have to select your private Midjourney Discord server and click Continue. This way, you are going to add the face swap bot to your server. Let's go to our created Midjourney server. And now we type /saveid. Now you can either click the Save Identity feature with your mouse or press space. Where it says ID name, we have to add a name that we are going to use for our source image face. I will call it Robbie. After putting in the name, you now have to drag the source image into the box and now hit enter. Wait till it says that it has created your ID name. Now it gets interesting. Type /swapid. Now type in the ID name. And now in that box you have to drag in any image you would like to swap faces with, and then just hit enter. Look at that, just incredible. It did an amazing face swap. And the beauty of it is that it is free to use and you do not need Midjourney. Now I will show you how you can do the deepfakes online. First, go to the Google Colab link in the description. Now run the first cell by clicking on that play button. If you get this warning, just click Run anyway. Now it will take between 2 and 3 minutes to finish. Then you will also see this error message. It says that you have to restart the runtime, but do not restart the runtime. I repeat, do not restart the runtime, because if you do restart the runtime and continue with the next steps, you will end up with this error. So again, just ignore that message and run the second cell. This cell will take a few seconds to finish. Now it is time to upload the source image and a target video. Just go to the left-hand side and click on the folder icon. Now here, you have to drag and drop the source image and target video. To avoid errors, please make sure that the file names of the source image and target video do not contain spaces. And then upload it, like I said, to the folder. Next, you have to go to the last cell and replace the target video path and source image path. Just click on the 3 dots of your source image and then click Copy Path. And then replace the default source image path by pasting it. Do the same process also for the target video path. Next thing left to do is smash that play button of the last cell and let it run. Now it will take between 2 and 4 minutes for a 7 or 10-second video. When the last cell is done, you will find a file named swapped.mp4, located on the left-hand side in the folder. If it is not showing up immediately, just click the refresh button. Now click the 3 dots and download the file. If you want to generate another video, make sure to delete the swapped.mp4 and then upload a new target video. And then replace the target video path. And then just run the last cell again. It is really simple. I hope you've learned how to install Face Fusion locally by yourself now. Have a lot of fun creating some amazing face swaps and deepfakes. And as always, join the AI revolution. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye, Lemonheads.